In this video, we'll show you how to make a pinch pot. I'm using about a third of the clay that comes on my kit, but you can use as much or as little as you'd like, and you want to begin by rolling the clay into a ball. To start forming the pot, I'm going to push my thumb through the centre, wrap my fingers around the outside, and gently pinch. I'm swivelling the pot around with my other hand, just so that I can start creating a nice round shape. And the motion of pinching is actually quite light. You don't want to pinch too hard too fast because it might thin out the pot too quickly. This is a cross section of what it looks like from the inside. So you're just bringing the clay up gently, and we're trying not to go too much thinner than about 1/2 centimetre. If I want to check out the bottom of the pot, I'm just going to flip it upside down and give it a few pats just to round that shape out. If I see any cracks forming on the surface, I'm just going to smooth those out with my finger. It's quite normal to have a bit of a wonky rim when you're working with a pinch pot, so if you wanted to even that out, I'm just going to take a tool. You can use this ribboning tool or a plastic knife that comes in your kit. I'm just trimming off the top couple of millimetres, and then I get to start off with a nice even rim. Afterwards, I'm going to take a little bit of water, dampen my finger, and just smooth out the edges, just so there's nothing too harsh or any clay sticking out here. Then it's just a case of smoothing out the surface of your pot, so you can use your finger like I am, or if you have a damp sponge to use, that will work just as well. Just refine it until you're happy, and then you've made your pinch pot.